Yeah, I wanted to just take a video so you could see, get a little more adventurous with these Rahway River launches in Rahway. So a couple folks told me that, hey, low tide might be a challenge to get on the water, but that's when you're going to see most of the wildlife. So I'm here right dead at low tide. It's around 9:30, I think. But look what I got the kayak on the, and there's an airplane. There's a kayak, I got on the water, I brought it over here, but this is a challenge. I don't know if you can see from the video, but I'm definitely going to have mud all over me, but I think it's going to be fun, so let's do it. Yeah, so you can appreciate it. Not only is this muddy, but you definitely have to watch where you're stepping here, because if you step on something rusty and it pierces your shoe, it's game over. You're going for a tetanus shot. But it's worth it because we're going that way. And I want to head down towards Carteret, which I've never done before. Some activity here. Let's do this. So first off, I'm seeing a lot of these little birds here. I don't know, they remind me of sandpipers, but their legs are short. And then also I'm here, I'm not too far into the paddle, and there's like this you know, this drainage pipe, and it looks like somebody like snipped it closed, or is that happened accidentally? Interesting. If you know, let me know in the comments. So we're coming up on the Rahway Yacht Club, and yes, Rahway has a yacht club, and this is it. And if you're watching this and it's in the summertime, they're having the Spanktown races next week, or not next week, excuse me, at the end of August. I'll put a link in there. Definitely check it out. But we launch them here, and we come all the way out. We go back past the Milton Street, not too far, and we hook a Yui, and we come back here, and it's a race, and they have kayaks, canoes, and then we go, and you can see them flowing past it. But then you come by here and have a cocktail or a soda pop, and it's a really good time. Highly recommend it. And look at this little, I don't know if that's a heron. He's just chilling. No, he left. So there's a little island I ran up to. If I get any closer, they're probably all gonna boogie out of here. I'm gonna get closer. It looks really cool. That looks like a peregrine falcon, but I can't see that well. And just if we're on the Rahway River, I think she's telling me to get out of here, which I'm gonna do. But look how beautiful it is here. That is, I believe, a sanitation fill right behind it with a bunch of solar panels up top. But I better get out of here. This is not good. Oh boy. I am out of here. Mom is upset. Okay, you got it, Mom. I'm out of here. I'm leaving. Sorry. Hey, I love wildlife. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not supposed to be here. I'm out of here. Wow, what a great mom. I'm pretty far away, but she is still not satisfied, so let me keep getting out of here. I don't know what that... Osprey, maybe? I'll find out. Sorry, Mom. So I reached the Jersey Turnpike. Almost. It's right over there with all the cars. Let's go. I'm gonna try to get under there. And there's some little, you know, like little tributaries here. I don't know if this is a drainage. I'm afraid to go back there because I don't know if I'm gonna find like Jimmy Hoffa, or it's kind of spooky. I've never been down this far. It's kind of intimidating, really. There's some current under here. I was not expecting this. And look over here, I could pull off. It looks like this would be a great time on a Friday night, but not now. So if you're watching this and you're in the Union County vicinity, let me know if you're interested in doing some of these adventures, because I gotta tell you, I'm a little intimidated doing this by myself. I let my wife know the general vicinity where I was in case I go MIA, but this is interesting. And look, looks like Karen is involved. Oh wow. It looks like a Conrail icon, but I'm not sure. Wow, check this is amazing, look. There goes the Freedom Tower, it's really far in the distance. I gotta pay attention, make sure. Hey, what is that bird in front of me? That is so cool. He's got a pretty sharp beak from what I could see. So, I believe because I could smell salt water, and I've seen some crabs, they were belly up, and I smell the salt water. This is brackish water, I'm thinking. And I heard that there might be some diamondback terrapins over here. So that would be really a bonus if we could see some of these diamondback terrapins. I'm just going to take a quick look. Feels good to be on the other side of the current this time. It looks like these are cameras or sensors for the water level. I just saw like 6 of them over here on the right and on the left. It's like a white top with a red bottom. But are those cameras, and are they fascinating?